Hello and welcome back to another tutorial for Place My App. Today we're going to learn how to edit stuff in the header. What is the header? The header is going to be this text here. Check out the links below and blah blah blah. The header is going to be on every page. So to change the header, you have, well, your content here. Check out the links below. That's what we were just looking at here. So you would just simply change whatever you wanted here. Hello, new text. And don't forget to save. And then, if we refresh the page, hello, new text. Cool. It's there. So there's a bit more going on here in the header. So we have your loan officer name here at the very bottom of the page. We have extra information. So we have NMLS and name. So we have NMLS here and then name here. And then we have a cell phone and email. So we have the email there and then your cell phone or whatever your work phone is. So you would just edit any of this here and then click save, and that will change that on this page. Now, I plan on fixing this in the future, but what you'll need to do currently is go through every page that you have and copy and paste the same information. Let's just say I have Elizabeth Esparza new here. If I save that and then go to news resource, it's not going to have the new here, and it's not going to show it. No new. You can even see that this page has a photo on it that the home page does not. There's the new and no photo. We'll get into how to upload photos and all that other good stuff in the next video, but as of right now, you'll need to go through every page that you have and re-enter the same information. What I would recommend is selecting all the information in there and then just copying it. Ooh, you can't even, okay. Do that, select all the information, and then hold down the control button and press C. And then you can go to a new page, go to where that information needs to be entered. Let's say that this is blank or incorrect. Hit Control V, and it will paste it automatically. So, all right. In the future, I'll have that fixed, so you only need to enter it once, and then it'll stay consistent throughout the website. But for now, you'll need to go through and double check yourself just to make sure you haven't wrecked yourself. All right, so thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.